Alright, managed to get the hubcap off. Note to self, have someone press down on the brake so that it locks, locks when you're trying to get the axle nut off. And then obviously that's the spindle, that's where it went in. Also had this washer on, so axle would come out through here. Had that washer, and then the nut. Also, before removing the hubcap, there were these little locking washers on there. The way I got them off was just spin it off. So to get it back on, just spin it back on. And then I removed this. Let's see, what is this? Ah, yes, this cable right here. Detach that. It was kind of running kind of along this path right here and connected. It's going to be hard to see because right in this little hole right there, there's the clip sitting like that. So yeah, now I'm gonna support this, like just have a rope, probably, I don't know where to tie it off yet. I'll probably just tie it off right there. Support that while I start taking off the lower ball joint. Still got to get the nut off there. Once I do that, then I can use this toolkit right here.